It is hot in Marmaris today. It's probably again about 25-26 degrees, which is nuts for this time of year, March 2025. I've came over to Blueport Mall, which to me is the centre point of Marmaris. You've got Burger King just over there. You did have KFC, but now KFC have closed right across Turkey, which I think that's why 2 Popeyes opened here last year. So what I'm going to do now is not go in all the shops, but I'm going to go down to the beachfront, see what's what, see if anything's open, and me and Ozzy will just have a mooch around. And let's see how the beach looks this time of year. There's a little bit of a breeze now, which is nice. We're happy to have this because it is too hot for March.
Normally I wear also coat, but at the moment I just wear the t-shirt.
So again, it looks completely different to in season. Places are just opening up now. The beach will get a full clean down from every bar and restaurant that's behind it. You know, places are just getting ready, starting to get their sunbeds out, starting to get the beach tidied up that they look after. So first we'll go this way. Down that way you've got Batman and other bars. Down this way you've got Pucker. I'm sure Pucker opens in the winter.
Yes.
Closes for a bit and then reopens.
They close about for 1 month, I think.
And then next door, Pandora. Whatever. Let's see if there's any new bars open. You got the waffles, ice creams. In fact, we'll go and see Chico in a second around the corner, who's opened a new waffle house. So in the season, somewhere like here, La Bonita will look after this part of the beach. They'll clean it, they'll put the sunbeds out, sun lounges out, look after the tourists who sit there, and obviously you'll buy food and drinks right outside the bar. So that's La Bonita. Free shower for you, Ozzy.
Yes, I need one.
So we just quickly have a walk up, check the likes of Salt and Pepper, Casper's, and everyone will just be redoing everything now, getting ready for the season to start. But it is hot, very, very hot March in Marmaris, isn't it? It's very hot. Look at this, busy. Felix is busy. Hello, mate. Everyone's just relaxing, chilling out in Felix. You've got next door Salt and Pepper, where everything will be getting ready soon. What about, mate? You okay?
Oh, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. You alright? So if you can see, there's plenty of people around. Not many bars are open. That's one bar on the beachfront we've walked. But by the 1st of April, all these will be open.
Most of Turkish people at the moment.
Most Turkish. You've got Reflex Beach. Look at these, doing some work outside. Was this Cum?
Karen's kitchen.
No, that's next door. So this was Cum last year, Q-U-U-M. Now it looks like it's been changed. Karen's, beautiful food of Karen's. Then you've got next door, Jimmy's. Again, nothing's ready yet, but it will be ready very, very soon. Cleaning the place, getting ready for the new season. And then just after is Casper's, again getting ready for the new season. So Ida Beach is open. Some of the full-on Turkish restaurants or bars, which get a lot of Turkish customers in the summer, they've been open in the winter months as well. So they're all ready to go, ready for the new season. But for now, we're going to keep walking down the beachfront, see where else is open. View it on Facebook. I'll see you all on the next live. Don't forget to keep sharing posts. And tomorrow, me and Ozzy go to Fethiye.
Yes. Early Dennis.
See you then. Right. This one finish. So now lives only last 30 days, then they're gonna disappear.
Yeah. Still.
Show this. You wanna stick behind the back there? Right, let's go at the beach on the see a second. And again, by the time you lot come to Marmaris, the beach won't look like this. It'll be cleaned. They'll be full of sunbeds, full of people sunbathing, where right now there's hardly anyone around. Is that still Abramovich's yacht or not? Is that still the yacht? Yeah. Still Abramovich or no?
I don't know.